Sawadikap. Sawadikap.
Hello, welcome to our channel, Shining TV. Okay, so for today we are here at Swan Farm Nook or Bird Farm. We are here at Bird Farm and we will see the different kinds of bird.
Look there, there's a lot of birds.
Yeah. So
Okay,
we will
guys,
show you
let's
later the different kinds of bird.
Yes.
Let's go. So we are here. We rent a cart.
You ran a car? So this is the car we're going to use.
Ayaw mandar. Penene. Crystal, come. No battery. It's a prank. Papa, ate, papa, preno.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Go, 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 papa.
I can't believe Papa's a good driver up there.
Hello! Welcome sa aming vlog. Ngayon kami ay iikot sa aming
Sa aming
ano
farm.
Sa aming farm. Oh. Titingnan po natin kung kamusta naman ang ating mga ibon, ha? Mga ibong Adarna.
Ibang tiririt.
Maya.
Hello, ate.
Hello. Just touching my
Birdhouse.
hand
Ayan.
because
that's a
it has
bird house.
because it have a blood because of mom.
Because of me, eh?
Yeah, because
So
you just
first,
pulled
titingnan
out.
muna natin dito
Alright,
yung
garden house. So let's
See?
start with the garden house.
I can see the picture. We're going to. This looks like we're going to feed.
Kakatu garden. There's a kakatu garden.
kakatu.
What is kakatu?
I don't understand.
Ah, look at the bird inside. Oh, there's a bird inside.
Yeah, let's see. Let's get
So
down.
let's see what's inside. What is kakatu? Kakatu bird. Hops.
Oh,
Hops.
what is that?
Papa, stop.
Stop! Stop!
Wait lang.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Oops. Okay.
So we will go down.
Saying the queue, I can take a picture.
Alright, welcome guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Swan Farm Nook, no? Swan Farm Nook. So, makikita mo naman mga kapatid. So, yung entrance dito sa Swan Farm Nook, bali 450, no? 450. Ayan, 450 sa adults. Sa bata naman, sa mga bata naman, bali 250 baht po yun. Ayan. So, samahan nyo kami mga kapatid. Titingnan natin kung anong makikita natin dito sa Swan Farm Nook na ito. Ate, come here.
Papa, can you hear me out?
Alright guys, so dito sa farm na to, bali kukunti lang po ang mga namamasyal.
Come here, birdie.
Yeah, there's a beautiful bird inside. You
What
will
is
see
the name of the
beautiful
bird?
It's a white bird.
There's
Oh, look at
There's
that.
the name. Here's the name.
Okay guys, yeah, the name of this bird is Gopin's Cockatoo. Oh, Gopin's Cockatoo. That's why dalawang ibon po to guys, ang dalawang ibon po doon ang nasa loob dahil ang pangalan po nila ay Gopin's Cockatoo. Tama pala yan. So, ano yan? From Indonesia, General Plumage Wild, Lures Pink Small Round Crest. Okay. Kaya average lifespan 50 years. Ayan mga kapatid, umaabot ng 50 years. Ayan. So dito mga cockatoo mga kapatid.
Everyone's cockatoo.
Yeah, different kinds of cockatoo. Look at them guys. Ayan. Hello cockatoo! Anong kinakain mo? Kumakain ka ba ng sumtam? Yeah. Do you like birds? Okay.
Come here. I will
Okay.
some stuff now.
Yeah. Look at Ate, look at the others here. Okay.
Wala kang camera. Hindi ka lang.
Palubat na. Kamaya na.
My
Look at Ate, there's another one. What bird? What kind of bird is that? Yung mga kapatid, makikita nyo, yeah.
Wow.
Ang pangalan po mga kapatid. Ayan po mga kamalan yan. What is the name, Ate? Can you read it?
Citron crested cockatoo.
Oh, kokatsu mga kapatid. Kasi laging tanan nyo mga kapatid, dalawang ibon na sa loob. Kaya, kukatsu! Okay. Look, Ate, look at these birds.
It looks like a parrot.
Yeah, what is the name of that? Don't feed or tease the birds. Yan guys, wag nyo na ligawan yung ibon. Hello, what is your name?
Papa, what is tea?
Bully. Yeah, look at the bird. Yeah. Hello, bird.
Hello, bird. Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. What is your name? Oh, why you look so sad? Are you shy? Alright guys, tingnan natin dahil mga kapatid. Tingnan natin yung mga kukatsu. Dito po mga kapatid ay... Here's the name, Ate, on the other side. Yeah, what is the name of that bird, Ate?
Red-tailed black cockatoo.
Oh! Red. What? But I didn't say red-tailed.
Red-tailed.
Yeah, there's also...
It looks like yellow.
Yeah, look at that. Look at the...
There's a black bird over here.
Wow.
How tall cockatoo?
Oh, there's a parrot. Hello, parrot. I think the parrot is sleeping.
This one, look, oh.
Palm cockatoo.
Found
Yeah,
the
mga-
oh, look, it's big.
Yeah, there's two. This guys is from Papua New Guinea.
Ano daw?
Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea.
All right. Look at Ate, look at this bird. Ate, look this one, look. Oh, I like your hair. So black. There's another guy over there. Ang boyfriend niya at yung girlfriend niya. Oh, yeah, this their boyfriend and girlfriend. Look at that. That's so nice. Are you enjoying, baby? What do you see? Wow. What have you found, Ate? Let's go and see, Ate. Oh, oh. What is the name of this bird? Oh, Major. Wow, Major pala to, hindi Lieutenant, no? Ayan, Colonel. Ayan, mga kapatid, oh. Kikita yung mga birds. Oh, yeah, from Australia. Yan, yung mga ibon na yan, guys. Galing Australia po, mga kapatid, no? Ayan, titingnan pa natin doon. Bandang unahan, mga kapatid. Marami pa doon sila. Okay, let's go, guys. Hello, Tempuraza. Come on, let's go. It's sleeping, Ate. Alright, guys. So, dito tayo. Titingnan natin dito. So, guys. So, makikita nyo, mga kapatid, kunti lang po ang mga turistang namamasyal dito gawa nga po ng pandemic, no? So nahaharap pa rin ang industriyang turismo sa ganitong pandemic na problema. Ayan. So yung mga kapatid, what is the name, Ate?
Blue eyes cockatoo.
Oh, blue eyes.
It's a blue eyes, Papa.
Hello, Ate Hazel. Magugustuhan mo tong blue eyes na ito. Tingnan mo, Ate, oh. Blue eyes. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda talaga. Blue eyes talaga. So, where does it come from? Oh, from New Britain. Alright. Let's go. There's another one, Ate. Umbrella. What's the name? White crested cockatoo. Alright.
Umbrella.
And guys, makikita nyo, guys. Lahat po dito, mga kapatid, ay cockatoo, no? Mga cockatoo. Look at this one, Ate. What is the name of this one? Oh, Greater Sulphur Crispy Cockatoo. Alright, mga kapatid. Tingnan po nyo yan, mga kapatid. No? Ang ganda talaga. Oh, look at this naman, ate. So nice. Mga kapatid, tingnan nyo itong isa. Oh,
That's the black one.
oh, it's so nice. Look at, mga kapatid.
Black one.
Tingnan nyo po ang nasa, tingnan mo mga ano nila.
Papa, look out there. That's the black one.
Yeah.
Come on,
Look at the
there's a
hair. What is the name? Let's find out that. What is the name? Greater Sulphur Crispy Cockatoo. Alright. Hello, Cockatoo. Nakakaamoy po ba kayo ng sulfur? Kasi sulfur ng pangalan
I
nila.
like your name.
Alright, let's go guys.
The duck.
Po yan. So makikita nyo mga kapatid, ayan, nakasakay po kami ngayon dito sa ating nirentahan na bagong Lamborghini mga kapatid, no? Ito ang ating bagong Lamborghini. So samahan nyo kami mga kapatid sa pag-iikot. Hello mga katimpuraza, samahan nyo kami.
Let's libutin natin. Libutin natin tong ating farm.
Yeah.
Right, ate?
Yes.
Right, ate Mariel? Ate
Yes.
Mariel,
Let's go, handar na po tayo, handar.
we're gonna go now.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Let's go, Arbito. What's up?
Up.
May lagayan pala dito ng drinks, no? Dapat may ano tayo, may
Wow.
drinks. At pinto ng pinto. Don't touch.
Don't touch
Bigat
it.
yung atas. Hawakan mo kamay.
Ate Mariel, hold na, sit down.
Okay mga kapatid, so dito makikita, libutin kaya muna natin, ha? Sa pag-iikot natin mga kapatid, ayan, meron dito ang anong ibon. Hello, ibon.
Ibon. That's
Ibong tiririt, Maya.
Yan po. Papasok na po tayo ng loob.
Ayan na, meron anong meron dito sa
Let's see what we can see there.
Wala masyadong laman. Wala na. So, tingnan natin mga kapatid.
Wow.
Dito ay merong, anong tawag dito? Rotonda. Ayan. So, dito tayo dito.
There's nothing gonna be here.
You know, ate, Mama and Papa went here when you are still in Mama's tummy.
Did Mama have a tummy ache? Let's go. Wow.
Can you go inside too? Ang daming ibon mga kapatid talaga, grabe.
So
No entry.
beautiful.
Okay.
Don't
So,
enter.
bawal pumasok. Ang dami oh.
Wow, that bird is so
Yeah.
cute.
So, a lot of birds mga kapatid, no? Toilet. Ayan, may toilet dito. Oh, mayroong mga giant turtle.
Oh, the tortoise, oh. Oh, tortoise. There's a tortoise.
Yung pwede ka magpakain ng ano? Ano yung meron doon? Bird?
Wow.
Fish?
Chicken.
Wow, it looks like a peacock. White
Yeah.
peacock.
Hello, peacock. All the peacocks are gone. I guess. They're all gone.
Thai way of life.
Highway.
Dito tayo sa kanan. Ayan, tingnan natin ka naman.
Wow, the wave looks pretty to swim.
Look over. You go straight. You go straight. You will see something. Look, the peacock.
Look, the peacock.
Where's the people?
There.
Oh, look at
Stop there,
me.
stop.
Hindi ko tayo sabihin ito.
Wow, beautiful peacock.
Hello, Peacock. Do you have boyfriend?
Goodbye, peacock. Love you. Hey, Dad.
Hi.
Papa, let's see what else can we see in straight line. There's nothing in the cave. Wow, look at that bird.
Stop mo.
Look, oh, there's another peacock.
name of that bird?
I can't see because
Ew.
it's covering.
Pink one.
No, that's a flamingo.
Oh, wow,
The
wow.
flamingo?
Flamingo. There's a lot of flamingo over there.
Even black ones? I didn't know. Wow.
A lot of insects to us. Papa, a lot of insect.
Ah, my shoe.
There's what? Oh, look at that. Is it flamingo?
My
You must stop in one
tummy.
place. Parang dami.
My tummy.
All those insects.
Oh, my tummy.
Why? Are you hungry?
No, you're making my tummy sad. Tummy ache. Wait, my tummy. Wow, Windy, I like it. It's fresh air
It's windy.
Wow, I like the fresh air.
in my lungs.
Oh,
What's that? Is that a swan?
That's right.
Swan? Did anyone say swan?
Swan soy sauce. Silver swan.
Wow, snake.
It's a lot.
No entry. Ayan, maganda dito.
I wonder what is that old lady? Or who's that guy? It is weird. Mom, dang! Ah! We're going to the wrong ring. Ah!
Deer garden, no? Exotic duck.
Be careful, ate. You're gonna fall down.
Ate ha?
Just pineapples. They look
It's
like.
not a
Ano the
pineapple.
water?
It's a pine tree.
But it looks like.
It's not a pine.
Did he say pine trees? It will be pineapple.
It's a palm
Ah,
tree.
it's a palm tree. I'm sorry. It's a palm tree.
Then it will be
Let's take a
palm.
picture here, guys.
Okay. Hey,
Oh, look, there's a deer.
Oh, deer! Oh, look at the swan.
Where?
Hello, swan.
Where?
Oh, look at the bottom of the swan.
And the swan. Hello, Swansea. Hello, Swansea. Hello, Swansea, Swansea.
Did you say you see a deer? I saw a deer.
I see a deer.
Oh, we have a deer now. So, before, wala pa ditong mga deer. No?
Kasi ikaw pala
Ah,
ang deer.
baby deers.
Sana all deer.
Aw, cute little deer.
Hello, little deer. Ano tayo? Pwede mo pakain ng deer. Deer garden.
Deer God.
Rosa deer.
Deer garden. Deer garden. Ah, pwede tayo.
Pwede pumasok? Apak tayo dito. Park tayo dito mga kapatid. Para...
I like the fresh air in my lungs.
Oops.
Not
Oh,
fresh air.
I like the fresh air in my intestine.
I like the fresh air in my lungs. What is this hole doing on my face?
There's a hole.
Stop saying that hole on my face, okay?
What's that on your face?
Kaya tingnan natin yung mga oh deer.
Oh dear, it's a big deer. Oops. Stop.
Ay mga kapatid, meron ditong deer, no? Ang nakalagay po dito ay Rosa deer. Yan. Alam niyo ba mga kapatid kung ano ang scientific name ng deer? Ayan. Ang pangalan po ay Cervus timorensis. Di ba? So tawagin niyo po yung boyfriend niyo ng oh dear. Oh. Hello dear. So, tingnan mo yung mga deer natin. So, yung mga kapatid. Ayan. Yung mga deer, ayan, nakakulong sila mga kapatid, no? Ayan. Ayan. So, tandaan nyo kapatid, dalawang klase ang deer nila dito. Merong Rusa deer at saka
The Jews
Cheetah
are like-
deer. Ayan. So, abangan nyo kapatid, mag-iikot pa tayo.
I'm gonna put Hey, look at
Okay, let's go.
So, we are here at the farm.
Hello! Driver pa ako mga kapatid.
Yes. Si Pam ay driver.
Cab driver
a lot
tayo.
of palm. A lot of
Now I will be
palm.
in time for.
This is Ate Mariel. Hello, Ate Mariel.
Hello. Yes, baby.
Ate is busy taking a picture.
What happened to that river?
Look, Ate, there's a bird. Oh.
That's a duck, I think.
It's a goose.
Oh my god.
Oh, goose. Oh my gosh.
Bob, it's so relaxing. Thank you very much. It's relaxing for me.
Why? What happened?
No, look at that. Look at that, Ate. Oh. It's so nice there, Mama. I want to take a picture.
I want to play with that
I forgot my
slide.
tripod.
Yeah, we don't have tripod.
Why do you
Hindi
need
ka mga maganda
this
gawin
tripod?
natin. Anong meron dyan? Look, oh, Mama, oh, yun, oh.
Wow, ate, it's so big. Papa, it's so big.
Wow.
Yeah, we can stop. Let's go and check it out.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. What's the name of that little creature?
Up.
guys?
Oh, there's a goat also there. Okay, we will go down.
Okay.
Sumabit. Papa. Ito.
Hello, little Crystal. Let's see the.
Let's see what we can
See what can.
what we can see
Let's see
there.
what we can see. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. What is that? Oh no.
Yeah, and then there's a goat.
Is that pregnant, Mama?
I think so. It looks
Yeah, look at that. Oh, I think they.
Hello, goat. Hello, goat.
Hello, goatee. Hello, goat.
At Papa, don't touch Crystal there, na.
Yeah, don't touch, baby. Maybe the goat will kiss you.
So, on that side, makikita po natin yung malaking bird na may malaking beak. So, check natin yung beak. Check natin yung beak. Check natin yung bird na may malaking beak. Wow! What kind of bird is that? Look at that.
Wow. Ate Maria, do you like to beak with the bird?
Okay, look po. Ito sa beak. Beak.
Yeah, there's another one,
It
Mama.
looks like a banana.
Yeah, there are two. 1, 2.
Where?
Look at two.
Wow. Pikachu. Pikachu.
Okay. Do you wanna go in, ate? Hello! So mga kapatid, nakikita natin dito yung ibong malaki ang beak. Ang sa Tagalog, tuka, no? Tuka.
Oh, it really hurt. I'm gonna have a little stuff.
Ha?
My bottle. Don't tell anyone. Mom, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Pwede ba kainin yan? Kinakain yan, di ba, mga?
What's that?
Yung bunga na ano.
I think it's not. Mga kabayan.
Grape siya, mga kapatid, grape.
Mga kabayan, kinakain po ba yan? Ang tanong ni Ka-Shining, kinakain po ba to? Ito po, ito. Kinakain daw po ba yan?
Ang tawag po dyan, mga kapatid, ay grape.
Oh, there's a sheep over there. I can see a sheep.
Yeah, baba black.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go, guys!
Help!
Oh no, it's very hot. Ready, Mama?
Mama, I can wheel.
Yan. Ito po ang riceberry field. Riceberry, it means that siya po yung klase ng bigas na kulay purple and super healthy rice. So, kung kayo mga diabetic or may diabetes, better po na kumain tayo ng riceberry.
Is it yummy?
Thailand, tingin ko yung rice berry hindi siya ganun kamahal. 1 kilo of rice berry, it costs of 70 baht
I
or
want the rice.
100 pesos
I want-
sa Philippine peso.
Mama, can you go to the strawberry field? After that, I want to take some strawberries.
Ate, hold na ako, guys.
Oo, kain mo na lang.
Oh, ako ba? Ay, ate, hold
Wait, Mama, what do you think I'm going to do?
I think I...
Mga ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Papa, we gonna get wet!
I like water.
Parang sa hotel mo?
Hello guys, so dito po sa place na to makikita natin yung mga old style na mga Thai, yung mga house style po niya. Yan po yung bahay nila before. Thai old house design. Yan po. Ito ang ways po na nakatayo kasi kapag bumabaha, ready sila sa baha. Lagi silang nakataas yung bahay nila. Yan po yung mga Thai design. House design. Thai old house design. Very nice po siya.
Bring up. Hold.
Thai. It's a Thai way of life, learning place. Wow! So dito sila nagsa-seminar. Yan po yung place na pinagka-seminar nila. Rice berry field.
There's
So
a,
that's
what do you call that? It's a cow. A carabao. Yeah, may cow na may carabao. So, yan pa rin mga kapatid, no? Marami pa rin mga ibon dito. Ibon. Hey guys, tingnan nyo ano? Yung kaganda niya. Ang lalaki nila guys, grabe ang laki oh. Naglalaway oh. Sawadikap! Sawadikap! Namaste, ate! Hello? Sawadikap! Shu Alaija? Hello? 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 What is your name? Hello? 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 How are you? What is your name? Sawadikap. Hello? Hello? Ate, there's a look at the book. After doon mga kapatid, meron ditong mga souvenirs na isgate. So may mga souvenirs dito mga kapatid. Ayan. So makikita tayo souvenirs. Ayan. Ganun yung mga souvenirs mga kapatid. Mga souvenirs nilang maganda. Maganda mga souvenirs nila. Panalo. Ayan. Meron silang mga una, no? Para sa mga hindi nakakatulog. Ate! Ayun. Umuubo na ang aking kasama mga kapatid. Ayan. Umuubo. Ate! Let's go, ate. Yung mga kapatid, ate.
Welcome to Shiny TV Family.